Today we're having a look at how to make money while you sleep. And the biggest question I get asked is this BS? Well, no. In this video, I'm going. Well, how's that not skipping? Come on. In this video, I'm going to share with you proof of the concept. I'm going to break it down for you, and I'll show you exactly how all of this method works. Okay. Now, here's my guarantee. As always, if you watch this video till the end, you can set this up yourself today. It will literally take a little over an hour to get this all up and running. And I'm going to share with you tools and resources to make the entire thing faster. Okay, so we'll dive in and I'll share with you some actual numbers, some money that I earned whilst I was indeed taking a sleep. But we'll start right at the beginning. Okay, so when it comes to earning online and also offline as well, we need to be having something of value to another person, and that can be something that will save the person or the potential buyer. It will save them time, it will speed up a process for them, it will be helping them to actually be earning an income online or solving a problem for them. But ultimately, if we have something of value to somebody else and it can tick a number of these boxes, then we're going to be in a good place. So let's dive into the video and I'll show you all of the good stuff. Okay, so let's come out of here and let me show you proof of the method first, okay? So this is over in my emails and you'll notice the times down here. So you see this one over here, 2:35 in the morning, and you'll see, look, you just received a new reward of $23. You'll also see a little past midnight, I also received a reward for $143. Now you'll see other transactions coming in from eBay and Etsy and loads of other stuff, but that's not this method we're looking at today. So we're going to be looking at this one over here, the money that was coming in when I was sleeping. Okay, so let me show you how I earned that money, and we'll go back to the original point, which is this: we need to be sharing something of value that is going to speed up time, help people speed up a process, etc. Okay, so where did that money come from? So I'll show you. It came from this piece of software over here, which is called Syllabi. Now I use this piece of software and I also recommend it because it's awesome. I use this on YouTube, I use it on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and many other places. Okay. So what is it? So essentially, this is a piece of AI software that turns ideas into viral videos. If you're a long-time subscriber of the channel, you will have seen me sharing videos around this piece of software before because it's awesome. So let me log in and I'll show you how it looks very briefly, and then we'll look at how we're driving traffic over to this piece of software, okay? So step one is essentially we are deciding on a category or a niche to help people save time, speed up a process, and be earning online, okay? So my category or my niche is essentially it's faceless marketing or building out a faceless YouTube channel, TikTok, etc. Okay, so that's how the software looks on the inside. Straightforward and simple. People come in here and they literally come into any one of these, okay? And as you can see down here, there's loads of different examples of the styles of videos it can do. So people would come in here, they'd click on create now, and then once it goes through to here, they've got a few options. So on the left hand side, they've got these different styles. So the style of video you want, you can put in a script over here. You can choose how long it is, choose your language, choose your AI model, subtitle, colors, and loads more. But essentially what happens is people put in a script and then it will build out a complete video based upon that script, okay? It's awesome. I recommend it. I've got a free training on it, a 4-day free training, and I'll show you that in a second, okay? But this is it, okay? So essentially, this method that we are looking at today, how you can be earning money when you're sleeping, is affiliate marketing. And there's lots of stigma around affiliate marketing. People think it's a scam. People think it's a waste of time. People have the usual one. I tried it and I didn't make any money. Well, you didn't try it properly if you didn't make money with it. That's a fact. So if I come over here into Syllabi, the first part of this process is we need to sign up to the affiliate program. So I know that Syllabi has an affiliate program because you will see over here I have earned $1,300 with this affiliate program. This is what's currently unpaid and this is what is due in 2 days, okay? Now if I scroll down the page here, this is the stats. So I've had 2,796 people click on my link. What is my link? So again, I'll show you it. So if I come over here, see this? Syllabi.io / this over here. So this is my own unique tracking link. So that means if I put this video below the video, sorry, if I put that link below the video you're watching, if you clicked that link, went over to Syllabi, tested it out for free for a week, and then after a week you thought, you know what, I like it, I'm going to give it a go, then I would earn a commission if you did go ahead and sign up to it. The commission doesn't cost you any money. The price would be exactly the same whether you went direct to Syllabi or whether you clicked my link. It wouldn't make a difference, okay? It's just basic affiliate marketing. And at the beginning of the video, you saw that I earned, I think, what was it, $27 and $100 and something, okay? But if we come into here, you will see there are all of these different plans on here, and there's monthly plans and there's also annual plans. But someone buys one or signs up to a monthly or an annual and we earn a commission. From memory, I think it's about 20% commission for life, which is bloody brilliant. But the reason why this works and the reason why it converts good is because of what I shared with you at the beginning, which is this. So in terms of that software over there, it saves people time, it speeds up the process, and they can be using it to earn online. I hope that all makes sense. And this is just one example, okay? There's thousands of ways you can be doing affiliate marketing. You can be doing it with Amazon, you can be doing it with eBay, you can be doing it on websites like ClickBank, which are more focused on digital products. You've got Warrior Plus, JVZoo, you've then got affiliate networks like ShareASale, Commission Junction, Affiliate Window. There's hundreds and hundreds of these different ways you can be finding affiliate programs, okay? But essentially, it all comes down to the same thing. Pick a category or a niche. Once you've decided on that category or a niche, look at products or create your own products which solve a problem for somebody or is something that is perceived as high value, and it will do a lot of these things. It will save them time, it will speed up a process. They can be earning online with it, okay? So I have this over here. I have my affiliate link. Where's it gone? Let me go. It's gone because I've gone to pricing. But I have an affiliate link. I am driving traffic over to this piece of software. If people sign up and go through it, then I earn a commission, okay? So that's the basic element of this. So how are we driving traffic over to this piece of software? Well, I do it in a number of ways. So one example is over on YouTube, I will create videos using Syllabi, like the ones you can see on the screen here, very similar to one of my channels, this one up here, and we'll upload the video, and then within the description of that video, we will put an affiliate link to it, and we will say, if you want to create videos like this yourself, Faceless, voice works incredibly well, then we'll put a link to it within the description of the video, okay? But you can break it down a lot further. So again, I'll give you another example. If you was in sort of, say, the dog niche, you could be in the dog niche. You could go onto Google and just, I'll show you. You can go on Google. Let's just say you love dogs, you like dogs, etc. Or anything, chess, whatever. But all you would do is, whatever we're looking at, we'd come in here and we'd put in dog affiliate programs. And you can put UK, US, Australia, etc. Then it will show you all of these different websites where you can go and sign up to become an affiliate. And you can see in a snapshot, this one over here, they pay 15% commission. This one over here pays 20% commission. This one pays 5 to 10. So if we wanted to go for the one that pays the most commission, we'd come over here and we'd have a look at it. Now, I don't have a dog, so I couldn't tell you whether this is any good or not. But you can come in here. Oh, why's that one gone? Xeno. You can come in here. Let's just scroll down. We can come in here and we can find affiliate programs, and you sign up to them. Now, do not pay. If they're asking you to pay to sign up for them, move on to the next one. You do not pay to become an affiliate, okay? So let's scroll down the page here and let's just find one, okay? What is affiliate marketing, etc. So like this one over here, Tug Enough. There you go. You can come over here, you can sign up. You can see here, look, the commission is 15%. There's promo support on here. So they offer all of these different resources. And what that means is they will give you resources to promote their products or their website or their digital product Because obviously, if they're giving you the resources and tools to help you be successful, if you're successful, then you're obviously helping them get more sales and more customers through the door, okay? But this method, it works, okay? So you sign up, you decide on a category or a niche, you then find affiliate products within that category or niche, and then once you create content around the whole concept. Now, in terms of the content, what can it be? Anything. You can be creating videos using a piece of software like Syllabi over here. I've shared numerous videos on this with you. You could have a Facebook group. You could be doing this on Instagram marketing, TikTok marketing, Facebook groups. There's loads and loads of different ways you can do it, okay? If you want to break it down even further, you can come over to my community. It's called Faceless Freedom. It is 100% free to come over and join. And in the first classroom, I'll show you so you can see again what I'm telling you is indeed true. The first classroom, this one down here, method 1, build the Faceless YouTube channel. We cover this in a lot more detail. So in here, we go through the whole process of how to set up your channel, what to do, how to create videos, how to upload content. There's loads and loads of ways you can do this. And obviously, we've got loads more resources in here. You know, if you're struggling on deciding on a niche, you can come in here and go through this whole thing. It's absolutely free. But that is today's video. If you do have any questions, then do let me know. I know I've been a bit brief with it, but we've got all of the training inside of Faceless Freedom and it's free. So yeah, there you go. That is today's video. That is how you can be earning money whilst you're sleeping, because the concept is once you've created the content and you've put it online with your affiliate links, you know, it's a global internet. So people can be watching your videos at 1, 2, 3, 4 in the morning or even early morning, and you can be earning money whilst you're sleeping from people clicking your links. I'll see you soon.